Hi, and welcome back to my channel again. What we're going to do today is um, this glass holder. You can make it, as higher as you want, but I will show you the basic on how to do this, especially the edge here before you do the side of the bottle. So you can do as much higher as you want, up to here, and you can also make this as your um, pen holder, or yeah, anything. And also the size here, you can increase that. I have a video for on how to increase this circle. Okay, let's start doing it. And this is how I hold my yarn in here. Okay, let's start with slip knot. Okay, and let's start with sorry, we will start with magic ring. Sorry, magic ring is like this. Just hold it here, position your yarn, and then chain one, and then let's have 6 single crochet in our magic ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So once you have the 6 single crochet in your magic ring, just have to pull this. Yeah, pull that. Okay, and once you pull that, go back to your yarn, position your yarn, and go back here, and then slip stitch on the first chain, on the first single crochet. Okay, yeah, slip stitch. So now we have the first round. This one we can hide the tail while you're working around. Just cover it here. You can put it here, and then I'll show you how we will cover it. Okay, on the next row we have to chain one. Always remember that chain one is not included in the counting. Okay, so you don't need to count this one. So now let's have 2 single crochet in each chain. So if this is 6 single crochet, we will need to do 12. Okay, so this is the next. So this is what I'm saying. We need to include the remaining yarn, the tail here, so we can hide it. 1, then same stitch. 2. So 2 single crochet all over. 2 single crochet in every stitch. Okay, so it will become 12. You see, I'm hiding this, if you can see. You can see here is the yarn, put it there, and then we have 1, and then 2, and then again 2 single crochet in one stitch, and 2. Still we're hiding the excess yarn. 1, 2, we have 1, 2. If you want to cut this, you can cut, but for me, I want to hide it so it will be more stronger if the yarn is still there. So now we have 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. We have 12 now. Here. Okay, so we have 12 now. Then what we will do is to, if you remember this chain that I was telling you that you don't need to count this, so you need to go here on your first chain to slip stitch. Okay, so we hide the tail. This one we can cut this very long. This very long, so we can, but we have a longer tail that we hide there. So now we have 12. So to increase, we need again chain one, no need to count that. Then on the next slip, on the next stitch here is single crochet, one single crochet. On the next stitch is two single crochet. Okay, again one single crochet, and then two single crochet here to increase. Okay, then again one single crochet, and then two single crochet on the same stitch. Then again one single crochet, and then two single crochet here. Then again one single crochet, and then two single crochet. Then one single crochet, and then two single crochet. Okay, and then one single crochet, the last, and then we need to slip stitch to connect. So this one is not counted. Okay, here we go here. Okay, slip stitch. Okay, so now we have 1 2 and third row. Let's go to fourth. Chain one. Just to increase, you need single crochet on the first stitch, one single crochet, then another single crochet on the next stitch, and then two single crochet on the next stitch to increase. So what we did is 1 1 and 2 at the same stitch. Okay, again 1 1 and 2 here. Okay, again one single crochet, one single crochet, and then two single crochet. Okay, again one single crochet, one single crochet, and then two single crochet. Again one single crochet, two single crochet, and then two here. Okay, then I will meet you here at the end. We have two single crochet. Always at the end there's always one single crochet, and then slip stitch where? Here. Okay, not this one, it's not counted, this one. Okay, so we need a bigger, we need, how many rows we have here? 1 2 3 4 5. So we have 1 2 3 4. So one more. Chain one again, and then now this time we need three single crochet in three stitch, 1 2 3, and on the fourth you need two single crochet. So 1 2 3, and here on the fourth stitch we need two single crochet in the same stitch. Again, 1, 2, 3, and then 2 single crochet on the fourth stitch. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the fourth stitch you need 2 single crochet. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3, and then 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Again, 1, 2, 3, and then 2 single crochet on the same stitch. Again, 1, 2, 3, and then on the fourth you need 2 single crochet. Okay, and join again here on the first single crochet. So now let's see if we have the same size here. Yeah, so now for us to move to the side of the glass, of the side of this, what we're going to do is look at that, then chain 1. Then if you can see this, we will not go over here. Okay, we will go over here, and get at least some. I'll show you. We'll go over here, you can see that here, single crochet in here. Okay, in here. Okay, in here, instead of here, so that we will have this line. Okay, single crochet all over, all single crochet. Okay, I will show you you see the beauty of this line, that will also serve as a sign that this is the end of the bottom, and then this is the start of your side. Again, here in the middle, here. Okay, okay, it's all single crochet all over. I'll just show you at least 2 rows for this, because there's no point on showing you the rest of the rows. It's all the same stitch. Okay, now you reach the end, and then this is the chain that we are not counting, remember? And then you go here to slip stitch, right, to connect. Okay, you can do another, then you go here, slip stitch. In slip stitch, I will not go in the middle, I will go here. Okay, it looks clean. Okay, so we have the bottom and we're starting the side. Let's do one more row for the side. Okay, chain one, and then this time I will not go in the middle. I will go all the way here because I only want the line here. Okay, so single crochet all over. Just look at that. Before I did this, but now here. Okay, here. Just continue that. Okay, let's continue here. It's all single crochet. Okay, I'll just show you this. Okay, okay, this is the last, and then now we need to again ignore this one. This is the chain one that we are starting always. Get this the first single crochet, um, slip stitch here. Okay, so now we're having our bottom with the 2 rows for the side. Let's look at that. Look at that. So now for you to continue, just continue single crochet all over or until what height do you want. Okay, so now we are on halfway. Um, um, Thank you for watching. I'll make a separate video on how you can put some design here at the end, the edge of this. Thank you.